Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Thursday, November 15th, 2018. The death toll in California has now risen to 56 people, with over 200 still missing, as the worst fires in the state's history continue to decimate California. So far, almost 9,000 buildings, including 7,600 single-family homes, have now been destroyed. There are over 5,500 personnel fighting the blaze, 52,000 people have been evacuated, and the fire is only 35% contained. More than 230,000 acres have burned in California in the past week. Many researchers are questioning the nature of this fire. What are your thoughts? Do you think that this is a normal wildfire? On the 14th, there was a new powerful eruption at the Sakurajima volcano in Japan, ejecting a column of ash over 5,000 meters above the crater. There have not yet been any advisories issued from this eruption. On the 14th, there was a magnitude 6.0 earthquake off the coast of Kamchatka, Russia, at a depth of 69 kilometers. This was the sixth major earthquake of November. In the Middle East, so far more than 50 people have died after being hit by several waves of severe storms over the past 30-plus days. Anomalously high amounts of rain have fallen in very short periods. Some regions have experienced up to 8 months of rain within hours. The heavy rains are also causing massive sinkholes to form across the desert. Massive cracks are suddenly appearing across Saudi Arabia at a rapid rate, destroying roads and threatening anything in their path, including structures and homes. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. And check out our sponsor, virtualshield.com. Keep your info safe from big data spies. virtualshield.com. Just click the link I left in the description to start your free 30-day trial.